Good day mga bossing ko. Ayan, so may nag-request sa atin na compare daw natin yung BRV VX na top of the line and then yung BRV SCVT na BRV. So tara guys, check natin. So this one is a BRV VX CVT Honda Sensing, top of the line. And that one is the BRV SCVT 2026. So as you can see, sa front, headlights niya, parehas lang sila naka LED and then LED fog light. And then doon naman sa S variant, naka LED and then LED rin yung kanyang fog light. So sa bumper lang niya is nagkaiba. So may front lip chin siya na design here. And doon sa S is hindi siya naka front lip chin na design or additional design. Then sa Honda Sensing niya. Yan, so may Honda Sensing yung VX, while dun sa S variant is wala. Then same siya sa mga tire size, and then yung ground clearance niya is halos same lang din siya. So ayan. Yan. So at the rear, so makikita natin guys. So BRBS and then yung BRB-VX is naka rear diffuser, then with parking sensors, apat siya. While dun sa S variant is wala siyang parking sensor. Though may reverse camera, same with no Honda Sensing. Then yung tail light niya, ganito siya. So, pareha siya nung sa S variant. Yan, sa side niya, so kung makikita niyo guys, halos same lang siya ng ground clearance. May stepboard grill lang siya dito sa gilid. Yan. So, yung size ng rim ng S variant is same lang siya. Naka-rim 17s. Ayan. So, 215 by 55 rim 17. This one is VX variant, and then may side turn signal light and then keyless entry. Ayan. Ayan. So, we're here inside the Berry VX, top of the line. So, as you can see, may paddle shifter, may cruise control, and then controls ng Honda Sensing, and then controls to ng head unit dyan. So, ito yung dashboard ng VX na Honda Sensing. So, same with siya. Naka-CVT transmission. And yung digital display niya sa air condition. May tweeters. Andyan. And may side curtain airbag siya. Ayan. Andito pa. So, yan. And then, sa VX, naka-leather seats. Ayan. May side curtain airbag. And then, naka-black ceiling siya. With leather na armrest. Ayan, guys. So, may lane watch camera siya, guys, nandito. So, applicable siya sa VX variant. May air condition setting dito or fan setting dito sa likodan. And then, may 12-volt socket dun sa baba. Ayan. Leather seats. Then, one tumble down. Leather seats then sa third row. So, yan guys. Then, may tonneau cover dito sa VX variant. So, divider siya. Once na pinold po natin, yung third row seats niya. Yan, yung third row seats niya, naka-fold na. So, yan. Then, yan yung tail light niya. Sa BRV VX, same with dun sa BRV S. So, yan. So, we're here inside of VRV S variant, no? So, this one is yung entry-level CVT ng BRV. So, this one, magkaiba siya dun sa VX, top of the line na sa steering wheel. So, ito yung controls ng head unit. Then, wala siya dito. Then, wala siyang paddle shifter. And then, yung ceiling niya is white ceiling. Ayan. Then, fabric seats siya. Same with CVT transmission with sockets. And then, digital na yung air condition display niya with armrest. Ayan. So, yung rear view ng S variant. Ayan. And yung side view niya.